Hello and welcome. Today, I'm giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how we build engaging block-based coding levels in the Cobie AI editor. Our goal is to create a challenge that teaches students core computational skills, the Hungry Hedgehog. They learn about usage of loops and sequence of commands. First, let's see the end product. The student's task is to write code to guide a hedgehog through a maze to collect every single pear. The maze is a fun visual feedback that helps them grasp the logic of programming. Now, let's jump into the editor with an empty level and name it Hungry Hedgehog. For the student, the assignment description will be simple: navigate the hedgehog to pick up all the fruit. We'll start building the world in the level map menu. I'll place our hero, the hedgehog, in the bottom left corner to begin its journey. I start with just clicking on an empty cell. Using the tree or bush elements for walls, we begin the fun, creative work of designing a complex maze for the hedgehog. Let's grow some trees. And more trees. Next, we strategically place the collectible food, the pears, throughout the maze, ensuring a challenging path for the student. With the map complete, we move to the gameplay configuration, setting the victory condition to collect all objects. Now for the teaching moment. In the toolbox, we select only the essential blocks: move left, move down, move up, move right, to reinforce sequential commands. Since the maze is large, we deliberately include the repeat loop block. To truly teach the power of efficiency, we can limit the total number of blocks allowed in the student's solution. This constraint makes the puzzle harder and proves the value of using loops over long, repetitive code sequences. Let's change the messages for the game. Since we know the hero, we can replace the values. I'll also personalize the congratulation message at the end of the assignment, so our students see, Hedgehog Barry was successful at picking up all the pears. Finally, we save the assignment and run a quick test to ensure everything works as intended. We are constantly enhancing the editor with new blocks and features to keep challenging your students, and we'll create more videos to showcase them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.